Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix game bar is not recording audio in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your game bar is not recording audio, so let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to simply open your settings app, and in settings, the very first thing I recommend you have to make sure that your Windows is up to date. So go to Windows update section, go to this check for updates, and it will check if there will be any pending update available. So if you might get any pending update here, just try to update your Windows. So after updating that, you have to go to system, then go to system components here, and here just look for game bar. Right click on or click on these three dots on the right side, click on advanced options, scroll down. You might see the option of repair. Just click on repair and it will repair if there will be any bug or any issue with this. It will be fixed. Or you can also try to reset. It will reset all the settings and all the settings to default and all the issues. So it will be fixed in this step. After that, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.